Hey, I'm Mohsin here. Now, in this new video, I will tell you about the cars, cars in the world, and also I will also tell you about the most expensive cars in this era. First of all, I will explain you there are many types of cars in this world. So on the classification of cars, I will tell you about there are several factors, and also I will explain you some factors like first of all we will explain classify car on the based on the body styles, like style according to convertible, coupe, hatchback, minimus, crossovers, like that. These are based on the body style, like shape, like that. Second one is based on the car segment. Basically car segment is like a luxury cars, muscle cars, compact cars, green cars, some subcompact cars, like that. These are included in this in this division. And the third one is based on size. Some are mini size, some are huge size, some are micro cars, some are mid size, some are extra large cars. So according to this we have divided the based on these basis we have divide. And the fourth one is the based on fuel. Actually, on fuel, we have divided about the some have low average, like Prados, like that, Toyota Corollas cars. There are Fortuner Land Cruisers, like that. They have low fuel consumption. Low fuel consumption, it's mean low average, not low fuel consumption. It have low average. So some are diesels, some are electric cars, some are hybrid cars, some are also we are using hydrogen cars, etc. And the fifth one is based on purposes. This division is based on the, like we have to use on commercial cars, we have to use in family cars, we have to use sporty look, we have to, it's based on the purposes of the market. So I have explained you five main divisions. First one is purpose, based on fuel, and based on size, based on car segment, and based on the body style. So these are the main classifications of the cars. So in this video I have also explained you types of cars and their body styles. So according to body styles, there are 21 types of car classified on the body type. So we know that limousine is based on the, is the most popular brand in here, luxury car. This car have a separate area for the driver and the passengers, and for different domains, like that. It's a luxury car. And second one is convertibles. So convertibles car is in market like a sports saloon, pony cars, like that. So in this car we have a different features, modern technology, many improvement, road grip, like that. It's many brands like that. BMW is lie on this category in convertibles, Volvo, and like that many. Because in this cars technology is most moderate and modern. And the third one is micro cars, two-seater. Micro car is basically feasible for two persons, so that's why we called micro car. Economically it's like it have high average, small engine, so that's why it's economically best for two passengers. It's a hybrid also, it can be used for electrically because it has small engines, that's why. So in this category are Tato Nano, Izatha, etc. And the fourth one is city cars. In most urban areas, this city cars is most common. We can use for daily basis because it's Korea based, Japan made, and Suzuki Korea, Honda City, Honda Life, like that. Other R cars are available. Hatchbacks. Hatchbacks are the type of the cars for are the brand for brand people for like a BMW like that. So in this luxury car, and it has many things like four to five doors, and this have two box design has interior, and it's mostly used in Asia. And the sixth one is SUV, sports utility vehicles. Sport utility vehicles are the bigger than sedan, bigger than city cars. So it's a huge car. So that's why we have car, because it has a body design according to the ground clearance. And many vehicles, it's a unique and sleek. It's like a stylish, like a Prado like that. It's lie in Toyota Alls, Fortuners lie in SUV. And other is sedan. Sedans are the small cars, according above than micro cars, below than SUV. So sedans are many people like we can say that all people have access to get sedan cars. That's why sedan is most popular overall the world. Some subcompact cars, some compact cars are because it's basically it has it can be used for long traveling. It has many functions like it can be affordable for every people. And family cars, I have told you family car is the most popular, like Toyota, Volkswagen like that. So it has classified into the different. And the 10th one is a state car. So state car is basically two-door wagons and full-size wagons also, and it can be used for further purposes. And Grand Tourer, it's also a company like, yes, in the according to the style it has two-seater also and four-seater also. And Ferrari like that, it's all lying in this classify. Muscle cars is like a V8 engines, it has V8 engine. And Ford like that, it's lying in the supercars, sporty cars like that, we can say that. And the 14th one is commercial cars like wagons, Hilux like that, for passengers we can use. For it has 10 to 12 people we can sit here. And roadsters, we know that roadsters are a popular used for elevating where hilly areas, we can use that car. And the 16th one is MPV, like it's like a commercial car, we can use it for further purposes. SUV, CUV, crossover utility vehicle is comfortable according to the shape. So that's why SUV. Pickup like a 4x4 Hilux like that. It has two seats, four seats inside the cabin and other are behind, so like that. Kyope is the most famous for the market queue because it has a very sporty look. And the sport cars which can use be in the car, like race cars, also race cars, it's like that we can use in many we have seen in European countries like that. We have seen it it has a road grip, it has like 220 is a normal speed. So that's why in this video I have told you about the types of the cars. And also I have told you about these things. So in the last I will tell you about the 10 most expensive cars in this world. So about this, first one is Bugatti. 18 million is dollar is worth 18 million dollar. Rolls Royce. And the third was in Quingsang, Lamborghini, yeah, I have told you. And the fifth one is McLaren. And the sixth one is Hypersport. And seven one is Bugatti Veyron Mansory. And the eighth one is Aston Martin. And ninth is Ferrari. And the 10 is Pagani Hyora. It has a different like 18 million, 13 million like that. And the Pagani Hyora BC is $2.8 million. So in this video I have told you about the types of the cars according to the classification, 5 classification, and 21 cars according to the classification on these 5 features. And at the last I have told you about 10 most expensive car in this world. So that's why I have explained you everything. So please subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thank you so much.